Morning, everybody. So today we are going to do the sound deadening part of the cab. Assuming this truck is going to be pretty loud, and being an all sheet metal interior for the most part, I'm sure it's going to resonate. So yesterday we did all the painting inside here, get everything all prepped. There's a lot of overspray and all that crap on the inside, so Dylan helped me take care of that. As we said yesterday, there was a bunch of stuff cut out of here. I'm going to cut that out of the other cab and put that in here. So what I'm using is Nioco. Go on their website if you want. I buy this off of Amazon and installs really easy. Use this roller to get the pressure I need to apply it to the back there. I'll wipe down the back with wax and grease remover and do that. The seams, I don't know if this is completely necessary, but I use this Nioco tape, and it's like a foil. So, but this stuff, after watching a bunch of reviews and doing some pricing, bang for buck, I think this is a pretty good alternative to using Dynamat. It's about half the price, and it's the same type of beetle backing. And we use this. We lined actually the whole interior pretty much of my Jeep Grand Wagoneer and took down the road noise incredibly. So did a really good job. So if you're looking at doing sound deadening in your car or truck, I would say definitely use this stuff. I'm really happy with it. A lot of people have been happy with it if you're looking at an alternative, a cheaper alternative to Dynamat. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first piece is in. Went through. What you want to do is you want to get all this stuff rolled down good. I'll go down with it some more. Roll it down so that all these little checkered things are kind of all evenly pressed down. Kind of an indicator letting you know that it's been getting enough pressure on there being applied. So I just went up to the seam here. I could probably have gone higher with it, and it's a good stopping point there. that's the pretty much the finished product. Still have to rub it down a little bit more with that wheel. I'll finish off in the corner. Then I'll do the floor. All right, so I'm gonna do the passenger side footwell here. Just to give you an idea of how that sounds. Probably won't be able to tell the difference on camera, but it makes a huge difference putting this down. These are not the factory type patch panels. The person that had this before me just cut a piece of sheet metal and stuck it in here. Otherwise it'd have ribs down here for stiffening. So this will definitely help. I'll put on some more. I think I have one more sheet left. I might be out, but I have to order some more. But that whole oil can effect is gone, pretty much. So I ended up doing the inside of the rest of the inside of the cab here. I'm gonna get up underneath there, and then I think I might order a regular die cut or laser cut insulation piece that goes against the firewall. But just to kind of give you an idea of what this sounds like, the difference between the stuff with the sound deadener and not. You got, and then quite a bit of difference. It's going to make a huge difference for sound inside the cab. So, real good. Stay tuned for the next installment. I'll try and put a link to the stuff in the description for the Nioco, and the roller that I use works really well. So, stay tuned for the next one.